Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. Once again with a good friend, Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine, and she taught me something today. We're making a berry compote.
Yes.
And a compote is?
So it's just going to be like a little fruit sauce, okay? So so it could be like a chutney, but cooked fruit mixture is basically a compote. And we're going to replace our syrup that we might normally have on pancakes and waffles with this compote.
Because this is healthy.
It's a lot healthier, it has fiber, and it's much lower in sugar. And it's super easy to do. And so all we're going to do is take some frozen berries. They go right into the pan. And we're going to cook this over like a medium-high heat. So we're going to put in some cornstarch. And of course the recipe is on the website, a little bit of sugar. So this entire thing is going to get 3 tablespoons of sugar, and it's going to serve several people. It could serve at least 8 people.
And the cornstarch just kind of what?
That's
firms
our
it up
thickener.
a little bit? Okay.
Yeah, that's our thickening agent. A little bit of vanilla and some water. Okay.
Super easy.
And so that is just going to get turned on high heat, and you're going to stir it the entire time. But I was thinking that this might be a really good thing to do over Labor Day. So we have Labor Day coming up, and you might want to stay home on Sunday or Monday morning and make a great breakfast for the family, and this would be a really low sugar way to do that. And so we actually have some waffles here that are toaster waffles.
Okay.
And you can get some nice whole grain options at the grocery store. But if you're going to make homemade waffles, definitely if you have your favorite family recipe, do that. But you can take a packaged waffle mix and make it a little bit healthier by adding, so this is a flax chia blend.
Okay.
So you could add a few tablespoons of this and maybe use a little additional liquid with your mix. But you could do this, you could do just plain flax meal. You want to get the flax meal, not the flax seed, because it's easier to absorb that nutrition from a meal.
And lots of fiber.
Lots
I can
and lots
see
of
right
fiber.
there.
Right. So you could add wheat germ to this. You could add chopped nuts, sunflower seeds. Those all make really great additions to waffles. Okay, so after this comes to a boil, you are going to stir until it's nice and thick and the berries are broken down a little bit. And so when you get finished, this is what we have.
Look at that.
It's really nice and warm.
And the smell.
It smells
delicious. Good.
It really does. And another great addition to this would be a little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice. I mean, berries and lemon, whoopsie, making a mess. A really great combination. And you can see that you can have a lot more compote than you can syrup. Well, I mean, you can have whatever you want, but it's going to be a lot healthier this way. Okay, so aside from our big spill here, this is our final product.
This is it. This is the presentation.
Yes.
Berry compote. Make an experience with your family on this Labor Day. This is the stuff the kids remember too.
They do.
Waking up early and dad or mom cooks breakfast for them and gives them what they want. That's good stuff. All right, we're going to have this recipe and all of Chef Al's other recipes on our website. Please go check them out, kgrh.com. Thank you once again.
Thank you.